Hello Fanatics, welcome to Diamond Painting Fanatics. I am Cindy, and if you're new here, a special hello to you. I do lots of things on my channel. I do unboxings, post reviews, true crime is a Fanatic favourite, giveaways. I also host diamond paint alongs throughout the whole year. So yeah, please stay tuned. If you enjoy my content, as random as it is, please consider hitting that subscribe button and joining my Fanatic family. As for all my usual Fanatics, welcome back and thank you for being loyal Fanatics. I love you all. Welcome to an unboxing video. I sound a little confused because I bought a bargain kit from Diamond Art Studio. Usually they come in a clear bag with brown wrapping and a ribbon. I have a purple bag. So I'm going to dig in and see. I'm just going to hide my address because that is on there. I'm just going to carefully peel this off. And ta-da! Do I need to say any more? You naughty elf. Look what he has done to the packaging. Look at this. I have got the one that snuck through. Oh my goodness. I'm laughing because I can imagine Sam's face, because if you have never heard of Diamond Art Studio, please do not think that this is how you get your kits. I'm going to take this tape off because I think it's just held down. Has he even wrapped it in a bow is what I want to know. Has he? Look, he's stuck stickers all over it. Oh my goodness me. Oh, he's attempted a bow. Hang on. There's tape galore. Look at this. Diamond Art. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Look at that. You see it through my cardigan. It's actually got... Oh, where are you? Diamond Art Studio in the actual tape because of the ribbon. I want to see his bow before I talk about. Oh my god. He was so kind to me the other day. He bought me a gift. No, this is not a bow. It is barely loosely knotted. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm just going to pop that there for a second. If you are tuning in for the first time and you're thinking, oh, MG, I'm not getting Diamond Art Studio goodies, this was Elvis the Elf. This is how they come, okay? Very neatly wrapped with your purple bow, not loose knots, hand wrapped, lovingly packaged, one sticker. Okay, this is how they come, okay? So I'm just going to leave this here. I mean, look at that. You naughty, naughty elf. I'm not quite sure how that got through quality control. Oh my God, Sam's OCD must be like... That's why it was in this. Because you didn't want the UPS man to see it in the clear packaging. Oh dear me. I love it. Thank you, Elvis. I think you should do me some more. Yes, I'm keeping this as proof I got an Elvis kit. An Elvis finishing touches kit. I am just quickly going to put the post up here for you guys to read. I'll leave it there a little while for you to read it. So he was moved. He was not allowed to do it. And I got an Elvis kit. So how they always come when Elvis does it. I don't even need to rip it open. There's brown tape. Just chucked. Oh my goodness, it's actually tucked in there. Alright, you can't have an Elvis kit, it's mine. Ta-da! Thank you, Elvis. You have made my Christmas. Look at this. Oh my God. I should stop laughing. You're not having it. They're not having my kit. Right. Let's undo the... Actually, no, I'm going to keep it like that. Can I get it off here? Has he stuck it with a sticker? Kinda. I'm going to peel this off and just... I'm going to keep that. Stick it on my camera stand. Special ribbon. Okay, so let's see if I can get this out of here. I'm going to move this one because I tell you what, I'll make up for it. I will unbox that one as well. Okay. So this was a bargain kit. I actually can't remember what's wrong with it. So let's see if we can work it out because I never remember. It was one I don't have in my stash. I do now. It is a cute little one and it's square. And I'll just quickly roll it. How cute is that little kit? What's wrong with it? Absolutely nothing. A little crease, is that what it is here? Just where it's been tucked under? Can't be. I don't know. But I'm happy. This is, if I remember correctly, butterfly stones. I can't get over that wrapping. How cute is this little kid? It's just one that I didn't have in my collection. We have 36 colours. There is I'll show you the picture on the box. That'll be a bit easier for you to see. So we have a couple of butterflies and a couple of different coloured stones. Nice little kit. It's a 30 by 30 square. So that's pretty. Just one I didn't have in my stash, and comes in baggies. I should check they're all there, shouldn't I? Because Elvis has wrapped it. Shall I quickly check they're there? I know they will be. I should just count them. So, what colours do we have? Ooh, I got a free round sample in there. That's awesome. Thank you, Elvis. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Yeah, he didn't trick me. He didn't take any of the drills out. Not that he would. I'm just messing with you guys. But love it. I love all the blues. Nice little kit. One that I didn't have, and it came up in their bargains. So I thought I'm nabbing that one. I can't nab many more, I must say. Okay, do you want to see the one I purchased a while ago but haven't got to? It has been sat there waiting patiently for me. Thank you so much, Elvis. I love it. It made my Christmas. Truly, truly did. Now I'm going to get to Sam's one. I have purchased this a while ago. I'll tell you when I bought it. I bought it in September because it was my aunt's birthday, and I thought, oh, what can I buy her? So I bought her, I think it was the sunflower, and I thought, well, it'd be rude not to get yourself one, so I bought myself one. Oh God, this, I love it. I can imagine Sam having a heart attack having to send her. I absolutely love it. Thank you, Elvis. You naughty little elf. You're going to have to go back on that naughty step. Yeah, so I bought this. I bought my aunt one and thought it'd be really rude not to purchase myself one. So I bought myself one. Okay, and we have the bow with the sticker, camera stand. Thank you for your purchase. Not done by Elvis. We know it wasn't because I bought it in September. Okay, so this is the kit that I chose to purchase for myself. Although I must admit, I can't remember if it's round or square. Yes, this is round. Are you ready? This is how they all come. Nice and loose in the box, plenty of room to roll around. It is poured glue. We all love some poured glue. The drills. Put the colours in there. very, very colourful. I know someone in my group has completed this. I can't remember who it was. Another reason why I wanted it. So we have, you can roll it this way because it's poured glue. Are we ready? Ta-da! Just roll this way. It's annoying, that light. Tree Vortex? I always want to say it the other way round. Vortex tree. But I think it's Tree Vortex on the website. I'll pop the proper name here. 35 colours. No, 36 colours. And there's the schematic. I'll show you the box in a minute. Legend. All very nice and clear. And look at that. Shall I zoom you in on the legend? A's and D's. Multi-placing. There is quite a bit of confetti in there. I like this because what I didn't, that light. What I didn't notice when I was scanning through, because I was like, got it. Okay, then I came to the last page and saw this one. And then I kind of studied the image, and I like storytelling in a canvas. And you have the tree here and you have the vortex here. But there is like a mythical creature here, and the tree is holding on and he's holding on to the tree. And his arm is out and his hair. There's a little person in here. Do you see? At first glance, it just looks like part of the tree. But there's a little person there. How awesome is... Look at the colours in that vortex. How amazing is that? I love this. Round drill. I didn't notice that. It's round drill. Yay! I love squares. I think Diamond Art Studio have converted me to getting more squares because their squares just sit so snug together. But I've got this in rounds, so I like to break it up with rounds. But now I have to add this to my stash. Book. I mean, 2/ this year. That is awesome. I'm not going to get all of these out because I've taken up enough of your time already. But look at the colours in there. Blues and oranges, reds and greens. Ooh, look at that nice teal colours there. Pinks. Browns. There's all sorts in there. Blues. So there you go, guys. That is the one I have purchased. I must say, I'm looking forward to doing that. I can't until Up to Snow Good is finished. But thank you so much for joining me in today's unboxing. I've had a proper giggle, I must say. I love it. I really do love it. Thank you so much. Diamond Art Studio, you're amazing. I just, yeah, you're awesome. And I love that we do a lot of collaborations together and we have a good laugh, and yeah, you're just amazing. And again, always, as always, happy with my purchases, and special love to Elvis, you naughty little elf. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you joining me, and I hope you've had a good giggle. Love, hugs and sparkles to Elvis. Love, hugs and sparkles to you all.